Here is how you can replace your Google Assistant with Gemini. Open the Play Store and search for Google. Check if an update is available for the Google app, and if so, update it. Next, we need to download the Gemini app. Search for Gemini in the Play Store. If you find the app in the search list, install it. If you can't find Gemini in your Play Store, you can download the APK version of the app. As you can see, this app is currently not available in my country because it has been released for the United States and a few other countries. So even if you install the APK version, it probably won't work. Now, we need to change our country using a VPN app. Feel free to use any VPN app for this. Here, I am going to connect to the United States. Next, open your device settings and locate the option to change the region on your phone. Set your device region to the United States. Later, you can change it back to your default region. Now, let's proceed to install the Gemini app. I've downloaded the APK version, and I'll include the link in the description for your convenience. Here, our Gemini app is installing. Once you have installed the app, click its icon to launch. Scroll down and click the I agree button. Your Gemini app is now ready to use. Here, everything is dark. I should disable the dark mode first, and let's give it some commands to see how it works. Let's say hello, Gemini. And here is your new assistant, Gemini. To set it as your default assistant app, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Tap on Digital Assistant from Google. You'll find two options to choose from. Select Gemini and close the app. Now, when you trigger your assistant, it will open Gemini. Currently, it is in its beta stage, so some features may not work properly. But you can definitely give it a try. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.